Hello you guys! So today I do want to get in depth and show you step by step how to crochet this amazing border. This border combined with this stitch, it gives exactly the knitted effect. Nobody will understand that this is actually crocheted. I had a few reactions from people who did not know if this was knitted or crocheted, and they were asking me how did I knit it, but actually this is crochet. So I did two versions for you. One is to show you exactly how this stitch is done, how this border all around, you can see better with the contrasting colors. But here is how it looks with the same color. So first, to have this border, if you want to have this border exactly on the same stitch that I have it over here, first you're gonna have to go and watch the tutorial of this stitch. You can find that stitch first if you want to have this stitch. But this border is very diverse, and I think that this border can be paired with also knitted stitches and also with different other crochet stitches. So don't be afraid to experiment and combine this border with many other crochet or knitted stitches. You will have an amazing effect. So you can just follow the tutorial of the stitch or have your own stitch, so at the center, and then I will show you step by step how to do this border. So the border I want to show you how, in these two contrasting colors, so then you can actually understand how this border it is made. So to do that, first we're gonna have to go back and undo one part of this border. So if you are just going with the same color also for the border, you don't need to add another yarn. So in here, for example, I just finished all the stitch with gray color, and then with the same yarn I just did one chain and I turned and started to work all the corners with this stitch. But in case you want the border with another color, then you're gonna have to cut the yarn over here, then you're gonna have to insert the hook at the corner and pull the first loop with the other color for the border. So you're gonna have to start crocheting with another color. The same what I did over here. So I did cut the gray color that I did the center with a stitch, and then I just inserted the hook like this, and then I pulled one loop with the blue color, and I just made sure that the tail that I left at the back with the blue color was not escaping or going anywhere. I kept it with my finger at the back, and then you can just wave in that end. So this is just in case you are planning to do the border with another color. If not, you just go ahead as I explained to you for this sample. So how is this stitch made? Actually, this stitch, once you have the first loop, let's say that here I pulled the loop from the back. So I'm not going to continue this border. So this is my first loop, and I am going to insert yarn over, and then I'm going to insert the hook here at the next stitch and pull through. And this is how it works. I'm going to pull this loop through the yarn over. Okay, be careful there, like this. Then I have two loops now, yarn over and pull through these two loops. This is how it is going to start. Okay, this is the first stitch that you do. Then insert the hook. So this, we have one loop here, but then we have a second loop over here. So we are going to insert the hook on the second loop, then insert the hook on the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Again, this loop will go under this one, pull it through. Then you have two, then yarn over and pull through. And that's it. Just keep repeating that. So insert 1, 2, insert the hook on the second one, insert the hook on the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then pull it through the second loop, then yarn over and pull through. Just keep repeating that until you go to the end. So now there are a couple of things that here. I pull it through, then I will pull it through here, then yarn over and pull through the two. It is easy as this. Just keep going, inserting the hook here first, inserting the hook at the border, and then pull through, yarn over and pull through. It's really simple as this. Another thing that I do want to tell you is to, here at the corners, maybe you want to crochet in the same place 2 or even 3 of them. So one you crochet on this side, one you crochet on the center here at the corner, and then one you crochet on this side when you turn. Also, maybe sometimes it will ruffle up. It means that you have crocheted too many of these stitches in one place. So you have to divide them. For example, if I will see that my stitches are too ruffly and it becomes like too ruffly, then I am going to not so I will do the stitch like insert here. I will not insert the hook here at the next stitch, but I will insert it to the second one in case it is becoming too ruffly, okay? So like this, I will just skip one here at the bottom. So that depends on you, how you are working. Do not worry if you continue do too many stitches in one place and then you see that it's not going that well. Just leave it, go back, undo it. This happens to me all the time, so do not think that everything you have to do it right from the beginning. So that is my advice to you. And then just keep crocheting. If you see that you are doing a mistake, undo it, go back a few stitches, and then continue crocheting the right amount of the border stitches that you think. So yeah, guys, this was a very easy. I just wanted to show you step by step. And again, I do want to thank you very much for being part of my community. So I will see you with my next one. Bye.